Hey you, if you want to earn a lot of dollars from LinkedIn, just watch my complete video because I'm gonna show you step-by-step automation that I have set up, and I'm getting a lot of messages. Believe me, if you copy my automation, you will be getting a lot of clients very soon. So here is my screen. Because of the automation, I have been getting messages from LinkedIn. So see, he's reviewing my profile for business tech and associate for marketing automation. There is another client, Jesse. He asked me like interested in automation that works like whenever I update the lead status. Here is another, hey shoaib, I came across your profile. I wanted to see if it might be open to exploring a new opportunity for automation specialist. So yeah, a lot of clients, but yeah, you just have to set up the LinkedIn profile with the tags Zapier, make.com in it, and whatever the tools you are good in. If you are not good in, then please write the tags here because you are an automation person and automation need research. If you have basics, you can automate any tool, literally any tool with some basic research. So I set up the automation to post on my LinkedIn profile. So here is the automation. You just have to copy step by step exactly how I will set up here. You have to go to your make.com, create a new scenario from like scenarios, hit the create button, and yeah, by here, and after that I will actually creating it here because I already have tested it, the previous scenario. So let me start it from scratch in front of you. First of all, we will need a variable increment function because we have actually two apps in Google Sheets that we will be giving it to Gemenai and asking like, please write some content for these two apps. Like we can automate these two apps by this way and generate some hashtags. So if it will be running first time, it will have like 1 2 3. I was testing it, so it has 3. Next time it will have 4. See, it has 4. Next time it will be 5, and we need actually another module of increment as well. So we will clone this, connect it with this, and run these two. So it is 1, it is 4. So let's say we have a Google Sheet here which has the app names like Gmail, Outlook, Slack, Twilio, Zoom, WhatsApp, Discord, and a lot of apps that we can automate. So automation will be picking up the app like number 4 from here and number 1. We don't need the number 1, so I will run this 2 times. So it has value 2. So it will pick the number 4, Slack and Gmail. So let's say there is a new client approach you on Gmail, you want a notification on Slack. Automation will be set up for this. So in automation, we will be connecting the Google Sheets. Just click the add button, hit the Google Sheet, search rows, and in search rows we will select our Google Sheet just by here. We can write the name social media automation. That is the name of the sheet spreadsheet, and the sheet name is sheet 1. So this is the tab actually in the Google Sheet. So in the filter I will be saying like if the number equal to the first, actually the second one, this is the first one and this is the second one. So if the number of the app is equal to this, just give me that row. It will be only giving us one row because it will be equal to only one number. So that's why we are using the Google Sheet search rows and we are adding a filter. And then again, as you know, we did map the first module, first number, that is 4. That means we have a Slack here in this output. So in the next output we need the second app, that is Gmail. So we will be adding filter from the second variable here. We will be selecting the spreadsheet social media automation again, and we will be adding the tab name and adding the filter. So here I will be choosing the number. If number equals to the second increment function output, we will be saving this. Just want to test this if we have output. Run this module. Let's say if it is 4, it should be okay. We have Twilio at number 4. Let me see. Twilio, okay, it is counting it as 1 and it as 4 because we have a header here. And if we go in make.com search module, we said like table contains header, so that's why the second row is 1. So yeah, we are good. Like we have Twilio output, and let's say run this one. 2 should be the third row basically, that is Outlook. So third row is this, but it is 2 Outlook. Yeah, so because the numbering is here 1 2 3. So yeah, we have the app names, the first app and the second app, and after that we will be adding Gemenai. You just have to write here Gemenai. So we have on the home page, so we just need to generate a response. I actually have prompt set up already, So I'm using Gemenai 2.5 Flash, and I'm saying I'm an automation expert specialized in Zapier and make.com. I will copy this exact prompt and the model from here, and I will be using it here. You have to do the similar way, like 2.5 Flash, and you have to add a message here, all is user, and the message type is text, and text will be this, that I'm an automation expert. I want to write you an automation idea by picking up the app. So we have to map the outputs coming from the Google Sheet. The first output is not from the 23rd row module. It should be from 21 module. That is Twilio. So 21 app name is here, and the next app name should be here. That is from the 23rd module. That is Outlook, and yeah, we need to map it only one time here. So this Gemenai will be giving us some result. If we run this, we can let's say I will add the name of the apps manually. Outlook. Let me run this module, and it will be giving us the output based on the app names that we will be mapping in the LinkedIn. So here is the result. Stop missed appointments and manual follow-ups. Automate your client communication. Imagine Sarah, owner of a bustling salon. Every week several clients miss their appointments, costing her 100, and her team manually calls and emails, but it's inconsistent and time consuming. So here is how he's giving the automation steps, some hashtags, my contact info, and my upper profile link as well. So how cool is this? And then we have another Gemenai module that is actually getting the title for the LinkedIn post. So we will duplicate this and just copy this prompt again. You can copy it from my video as well. So I will replace this, and I will replace the result as well. And cool, we have the title. We must have the title here as well. Let's run this. Let me copy the result from here. So here it is. Let me copy it all, give it to, okay, let's click OK. Let's see, we have the result here. Result is untitled because we don't have the output. I'm just putting the output for now manually, and let's run this again, and I believe we will have the title now. Let's see, automate client communication and stop no shows. Cool, we have the title. So I will just go back and change the content just by mapping the result here. So this is saved. Now I need audiogram for generating a based image that I will show you as well. So we have generate an image module here. I already have a connection. You can make the connection by click add and put your AP key here. You just have to go to audiogram, add some dollar, like $5 to $6 only, and that will be enough for 2 to 3 months, believe me. So yeah, I already have the connection. I will be using that, and I have a prompt. I was testing random prompts just for getting better images, so you can see results here. So I like this one. I did have this image generated with but it has misspelling, so I don't like this one. There was one other as well, so this is not organized. So I like this one, and let me show you what prompt it was. It was from the second module. So I will be putting this exact prompt here in the prompt section. And what I have to do, I have to replace the app names. The first app should be here. That is from the 21st module. That is Twilio, and actually I can copy this 21st and replace it down here as well. And let's replace the second app that is from 23rd module. I can copy this and replace it here too, and you can choose the model V2. And this is better for this type of image generation. We have to choose the resolution. So I believe we can choose random resolution, but I will be choosing the exact one that I've been using here in audiogram, 1312 736. So 1312 could be here. Okay, we have this, and it is off. Let's leave it. Yeah, V2 resolution, and no, it should be off. So I'll save this. I'll run this module audiogram and write the app name. Let's say Twilio, and the second is Outlook or Slack or whatever you want. So let's say Outlook. I'll write this and hit OK, and it will take few seconds to process this, and we will have a beautiful image, and it will be in a URL form. We will be fetching that URL, putting that in HTTP, and then we will have the file in make.com that we can map in LinkedIn. So here is the URL. We can just drag it just to copy this, and I want to show you in a new tab like how the image is generated. See how beautiful it is, how professional it is, fully automated, Twilio to make.com to Outlook. So next step is to put a HTTP module, and we will be mapping the URL of audiogram here. So I will be clicking on the plus button, HTTP, and we need a get a file module from this. So download a file or get a file. I believe this is one. Yeah. So where it is? Okay, no authentication. URL is from here, and hit save. So maybe there is update from make.com. Previously it was get a file. Now it is HTTP download a file. But yeah, let's test this. Here we have let's put this URL for now and see if it is working. Yeah, we have 200 success code. We will be adding the LinkedIn module now, that is to create a user image post, and we will be mapping the file coming from the HTTP. The previous module, we can map the title here. You remember we have generated with the help of Gemenai response, and here it will be the content. We will be mapping the first Gemenai module, that is this one, and we will hit save. Why it is showing us the error? Let me see, visibility anyone? Yeah, everything is good. Okay, yeah, cool man, cool. Now I will run this whole automation live in front of you. So let's go to my LinkedIn show all post, and let me show you the recent post so we can see the fresh post here as well. So it was 6 days ago. The automation, I will be running this right now in front of you. So this is running, generating the title and description from Gemenai, and then it will generate image and post it on LinkedIn. The cool thing here is we can schedule it on everyday basis, or if you want randomly in weekly basis, let's say Monday, Wednesday and Friday only, we can schedule it, or you can schedule it 2 times a day as well. But I will recommend you go on daily basis or on weekly basis if you are posting some other stuff as well, like videos and other posts. But yeah, it shows it did run perfectly. Let's go on our LinkedIn and let me refresh my page, see if we have the fresh post. Wow, we have a fresh post that is for Zoom to make to Slack, and we have the data here. I will finish a crucial Zoom meeting only to face the post meeting scramble. So beautiful content, beautiful hashtags, contact info at the end. We have the post here. What I will do, I want to show you the number now. This is 5, this is 3. It must be fetching the 5 number, that is Zoom, 3 is Slack. So these 2 are automated, and it will be keep going every time the automation will run. Next time it will be picking up the WhatsApp and Twilio, then Discord and Zoom, then Facebook and WhatsApp. So one by one it will be keep going and fetching the next apps. So I can turn this on, but let me schedule it on weekdays. Let's say change it to specific days. Month, select all. Days could be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like 1 after a day. 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. So it will be working now 10 a.m. at European time regularly, and I will activate this scenario. This is turned on and it will be working fine. Let me save this, and you can keep seeing my post on LinkedIn. So just subscribe my channel and watch my next videos to learn more, and you can learn a lot, and you can sell these scenarios to your client, earn a lot of money. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching.